Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce. My name is Al-Fawzani Mani Muslim. I am from Electrical Engineering Class 20B. I am here to present the result of my research with the title Smart and Environmentally Friendly Electric Power with Micro Hydropower for Home Consumption. Background: Smart electric power microhydro is a tool that is used to produce electrical engineering that is environmentally friendly and with most renewable energy to produce resources for community need or for industrial purposes. This energy is used for home consumption. By using this tool, it can increase the efficiency of using electricity safe and environmentally friendly. This tool works by using microhydropower with converting energy into electrical energy. The output the output product is in a specially profit kWh meter. Then the output issued ISO will be distributed for home consumption. Microhydropower system for home consumption. This study aims to develop equipment and technology capability. Number one, Asian tool microhydropower system. Product tools that can help save electricity by using renewable and environmentally friendly energy. Number three, offer fashion on work Procast Micro Hydro Smart Power System. Number four, establish and accept standards of the operation. Next, basic theory. Microhydro is a small-scale power plant used to high power as industry force. As a irrigation canal reserves of natural water fiber using the head or the amount of water reservoir. Microhydro is a term consisting of the word micro which means small and hydro which means water. Technically, microhydro has the main component, namely water, as an energy source. With mild water, the technically microhydro has other main components, namely water as an energy source, turbine and generator. Microhydro get energy from the flow of water that has a fertile heat difference. Basically, microhydro utilizes the potential energy of boiling water. The higher a water drop, the greater the potential energy of the water that can be converted into electrical energy. In addition to the geographic factor like of the water flow, the height of the waterfall can also be obtained by stemming the flow of water so that the water level becomes high. Water is the followed the together to our rapid people in the powerhouse with a generator bowl it on the riverbank to drive a turbine of microhydro water well. Mechanical energy for the rotation of the turbine shaft will be convert into electric energy by a generator. Microhydro can track the effect of a water level that is not too lake. For example, with a water level of to 5 meter, 400 watt from electricity can be generated. The relative small of energy produced by microhydro compared to large-scale hydropower is to the relatively simple equipment and small area required for microhydro installation and operation. This is one the advocates for microhydro, which does not cause environmental damage. The difference between hydroelectric power plant (PLTA) and microhydro especially in the amount of electric generated. Hydropower under this is of 200 kWh is the classified as microhydro. Thus, then microhydro power system is subbuilt for raising the availability of electrical energy grid in remote and rural areas. Some of the advantages of microhydro power plant as follow. Microhydro generated systems are stable for the raising the availability of electrical energy grid. Number one, compared to other type of power plant is MHP is quoted cheap because it uses natural energy. Two, it have a simple conductor and be operated in remote areas with skill local people with a little practice. Number three, does not cause pollution. Four, can be combined with other programs such as irrigation. Number four, can encourage the community to be able to preserve the forest so that the availability of water is granted. That analysis apart used in generally theoretically, theoretically the power that can be generated by MHP is carried off with you the upwards. Tool and the material. The tools used in this experiment are as follows. For the material in left of you the following one. Number one is generator. Number two, generator turbine, inverter, MCB, 6 ampere, KWX, SIM, sama kabel and kabel internal. Work step. Work step number one. Start. Next, problem identification. It identification the problem before we create a tools or invention. We must first find the problem that will solve or will we have with the work we will make the tool the way will make. Next, literature study. After the process to the study of literature, here the process of searching, collecting, looking for the reference above the tool that will have together to talk of the solve problem that have been found previously. Next, preparation. Preparation starting from the preparation of the equipment, finding selection material, as well as assembling the material into the tools with net and preparing something that supports the success of the research. If the preparation has been deemed sufficient and successful and the project on the test title, if not, then back to the problem identification. Next, then testing tool. After the tools have finish being assembled, then the tool is still running to know if the performance of the tool Use the tool is the thread running. To know the performance of the tool, find out what the still lacking from the tool. Next, retrieval of the test result data. After the tool is thread running and the normal tool continues to measure the output from the tools whether in accordance with what is the desired of or not. Is yes, is yes. Then product to the go to the next step. Next step consolus. If no, then return to problem identifikasi. If no, then return to problem identifikasi. Next constellation and finish. Component circuit system. The design of the tool is the circuit is to connect a component starting from connecting the power source generated from micro hydroelectric connected to home network. Water from the reservoirs or from is a special part approximately 35 stage. Then water flow and move the blade of the turbine. Then the turbine rotating because of the push of the pressurized water. Automatic move the generator of the wheel because the turbine and generator installed in a coupling into a one so the turbine rotation the generator also rotates. The then generator running or tuning product electric with the in the running to product electron with the following trigger the inverter with converse DC to AC current with the then intersect the MCB with function as a safety for the electric network. After the new electric MCB in the stage distribute to people home is can also be via KWH SIM if the electricity want to be supplied to PLN. So KWH SIM it serves as to make sure how much power is used by the house and record it. Transsolution. This is a non-renewable energy source that has the advantage of being environmentally friendly and does not cause natural damage like for the energy. So by using tool, we hope the installation can profit and increase in the efficiency of the electric use and is environmentally friendly. Number two, next consolation in is hope that with this people who are still diffusion to get electric supply can will using electric for their daily life. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.